Hi everyone, welcome to Yui Today channel. Today I'm gonna review my new bag, the Vuitton bag, this one. I would like to say this bag is called Vuitton Neo Alma PM. Actually, I am really like about the Alma design of the Vuitton bag for a long time ago because it's quite classic and just go everywhere. But what I had been seeing is just only size Alma BB and Alma MM, which is the BB is too small and MM is quite a little bit too big to be the crossbody. But on the day I come round to at the Vuitton shop, on that day I found out they got the Vuitton Neo Alma PM, which is a size it's just quite right for me. It's just bigger than BB and smaller than Louis Vuitton MM, which is quite the right size. We'll see how it looks like. We'll just unboxing together, okay? Here, it's quite nice. See it? There you go. Have a ribbon, zing, and the box is and they have the card for if you give the present, you can put the message in there. And the box is have the ribbon, nice orange box, and the box is the magnetic box, right? Gonna open the box. And this is the inside, you see, very nice. Here, you put the box out. Here, just come in the cloth bag. Open it, just come with the tag, the things, and let's see, Louis Vuitton Neo Alma PM. It's cut in black and with the gold hardware. And this is have the engraved Louis Vuitton here. I hope you're gonna see it. Yeah, but it's just no gold in there, just the Louis Vuitton in here. And actually for at the shop for this Louis Vuitton Neo Alma PM, it comes with two colors. Is the black one and the beige one. I picked the black one because it's quite classic and go with everything, and I like the black and gold. It's really nice. Inside comes with the plastic support, and this is a stripe. I'm gonna tell you later why I put this Louis Vuitton Neo Alma PM. And inside it's just this color, the blue, purple, purple. I think it's purple. And the inside is quite big, and they have the compartment, two compartment for you to put the phone, put the stuff, your keys and things, and it obviously comes with the key, the lock, not the key, sorry, the lock, Louis Vuitton. Yeah, which is the lock is you can lock it here. You can lock it here. It's quite new for me. You can lock it here when you travel. You see it? You can lock it here when you travel. Lock with this lock. This is lock. Or if you not use the lock, you can hang it on here. Yes. Once it's come with the lock, and where is the key? The key is in here. Hang it on. It's here. Show you the key. The key is here. Okay. And like I said, it's just quite the right size to me. Not too big, not too small. I really love it. And what I like about this bag, because in my my opinion, I think it can go with every dress. First look, you can be used as a top handle. Then you're gonna go like this, business as tier, working, or formal, or just go to cocktail dress, or not a cocktail dress, but just like something that formal to just look not too casual, look posh. You know, you can hold like this, or just hold like that. And in the same time, they give you stripe. You don't have to buy. They just give you a come with the set, you know. And you don't have to hang on here. They got a hook for you. It's gonna be firm on it. Flip it, and it's transformed to be the casual one, like this, with the jeans, short, or like a go sport, just out from gym, but not used for gym, but just go in gym, just look really nice. Or it's somewhere that, oh, have to be careful with the bag, you can crossbody. But the crossbody, oops, someone call me, sorry, call you later. Okay, and this, just a crossbody like that. But just a little bit short for me, but it's just alright when you just would like to just keep your bag safe, you know. But if you're like happy with that, just okay, just go on. Like, don't have to carry anything. You go shopping, you go supermarket, and just carry the bag. You can hang like this and carry the bag, you know. Yeah. And then what I like about this bag, like I said to you, first it's a top handle with no stripe, which is look posh, formal, right? Second, with a stripe, just look casual, easy day, or crossbody when you need your two hands to just carry your shopping bag and stuff, you know. Or in the same time when you go shopping weekend, you can just go with two things in one bag. It's just alright. Just be like that. And when you like to use the stripe, it's going to be the stripe that you can get three look, like top handle, stripe, and crossbody. And crossbody when you need your hands, just carry the stuff, you know. And then I think, in my opinion, I think this bag is really worth for the money, and then can use for many occasions. And the color with the gold and black, it's just really go with everything. But the function is can use for every occasion, with many dresses that you're gonna go for, many dresses, many occasions. Then why not, you know? That's all for today that I review for Vuitton Neo Alma PM. If you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe to support me to do the next video. And hope you like and enjoy this video. Have a great day. See you next video. Bye bye.